Valine is one of the essential amino acids, which means that the body cannot produce it on its own, and it must be obtained through diet. It is a branched-chain amino acid, BCAA, along with leucine and isoleucine. These amino acids play crucial roles in various physiological processes in the body. Valine, like other amino acids, is a building block of proteins. It is involved in protein synthesis, which is essential for the repair and growth of tissues, muscles, and organs. Valine is a glucogenic amino acid, meaning it can be converted into glucose. During periods of intense physical activity, or when the body needs extra energy, valine can be used as a source of fuel. Valine, along with leucine and isoleucine, is particularly important for maintaining muscle tissue. BCAAs are often used by athletes and bodybuilders to support muscle growth, reduce muscle soreness, and enhance exercise performance. While valine is not specifically targeted at a particular organ, it plays a vital role in supporting overall organ health, especially muscles and the central nervous system. Valine is incorporated into proteins during the process of protein synthesis. It helps in the formation of muscle tissues and other proteins necessary for various bodily functions. Valine can be converted into glucose through a process called gluconeogenesis. This provides a source of energy during periods of increased energy demand. Valine can be obtained from various protein-rich foods. Good dietary sources include meat, dairy products, legumes, nuts and seeds, and whole grains. To ensure you get an adequate amount of valine, it's important to maintain a balanced diet that includes a variety of protein sources. If you have specific dietary concerns or are considering supplementation, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure your nutritional needs are met.